Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get into Fortnite Chapter 7 on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the Epic Game Launcher. Once you are inside the launcher, look at the left side and click on Library from here. Find Fortnite in your game list. If you see a button that says Update, click it. Let it finish downloading and installing. The update is what brings you into Chapter 7. When the update is done, the button will change to Launch. Click Launch and Fortnite will start loading. When Fortnite opens, you might see a short loading screen or a preparing message. Don't worry, just wait. It's setting up the Chapter 7 files. After the loading, Fortnite may ask you to confirm your account. Just click Confirm or Continue if your account is already connected. If not, type in your Epic Games email and password. Now you will reach the main frontline Fortnite lobby. If Chapter 7 is live, you will automatically see the new background, new music, and the Chapter 7 Battle Pass screen. Click play and you are officially inside Chapter 7. If your games feel slow or lag, go to the settings, then video, then turn graphics to medium or low. Helps Fortnite run smoother on most PCs. And that's all. You have now entered Fortnite Chapter 7 on PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.